designing a unique plant box with plants, stones, and clay design. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be sharing tips and ideas on how to design a plant box that's not just green, but also creative and eye-catching. We'll use a mix of plants, stones, and even clay designs to make a truly unique garden centerpiece. Choosing the right plants. The first step is selecting a variety of plants. Combine tall plants like ornamental grass or snake. Plant with medium-sized plants, such as colorful bromeliads or flowering perennials. Then, add small trailing plants, like ivy or creeping thyme to spill over the edges of your box. This layering technique gives your design depth and balance. Adding stones for texture. Next, let's talk about stones. Use white pebbles, river rocks, or polished black stones to add contrast and texture to your plant box. You can create pathways inside the box. Use stones as borders around your plants, or layer them in patterns for a clean, modern look. Stones not only add beauty, but they also help with drainage and soil stability. Creative clay design. Now for the fun part, clay designs. If you enjoy arts and crafts, you can make small clay figurines, colorful plant markers, or pattern tiles to decorate your plant box. For example, clay butterflies, tiny houses, or even simple geometric designs can transform your box into a mini garden art piece. This is where your creativity really shines. A plant box with a mix of plants, stones, and creative clay touches is more than just a container. It's a living piece of art. Play with colors, textures, and personal designs to make your garden space truly unique. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening and creative landscape tips.